The band played beautifully. Lady Hat was very happy. It was the best birthday party ever.